Okay. So you need to torque these down, and you start off first at 80. So you set your, actually 70 meters. So 70. You should already be clicking. I just did this. Okay. And you move it up to 133. Stagger. So that's all set. Just down a little bit. So now next thing we're gonna put on is the bracket. So if you're if you're a V6 guy doing this, put the rotor on. You need to source SVR rear brakes, which will get the larger bracket. Use the same bolts and everything. Put this on. All right. The bracket. Let's see. That was torque 2. $110. That on there. The SVR brakes. Right here. Put some pads on this. Here was the old pad. These are the new pads we got. See how much bigger they are. These are some Power Stop Extremes. Off to the side. We'll go ahead and put these in here. We'll put this on. So, these up really nice. Make sure I have the socket for these. There we go. I'm just going to put a little bit of grease, so we're going to need to go nuts on grease. Okay, so it's going to wrap these up. All the old stuff. Grease. else we need to do. We're going to put on, to clean these up a little bit and bleed these out. But everything is set up the way it should be. A little bit of space. Take this bracket over here. Bolt this on the back here. Alright. There. Nice and tight. Looking good. Alright. So there you have it. It's all back. Now for me, got the spring on. The spring back on. Sits underneath here. Nice and tight. In caps. Go back on here. So all you probably want to do is just, you know, you have the brakes on, the new brakes on here. If you're like me and you put on new calipers, you're gonna want to bleed them. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleed the brakes. But that's it. New big Velocity 395 millimeter rears compared to these. And as far as if you're going from the obviously the SVR, these are actually lighter than the factory ones. If you're a V6, obviously these are going to be heavier than the V6 because they're much bigger. But if you have an SVR and you go to these, you're going to be saving yourself some weight all the way around. V6 guys, you're going to be adding a little bit of weight, but you're getting much better brakes. So it's really not, it's a non-issue. But I just wanted to mention that. So that's it. Appreciate you watching. Have any questions, let me know. We'll also be doing the fronts as well. The fronts are the same. Everything's the same on the SVR. The only difference is the hub. So I'm just going to swap out that hub. And that's it. So appreciate you watching. As always, leave some comment or like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, however they say it. And talk to you soon. Thanks.